Hey, it's Kayla. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making these pecan cheesecake bars. Today we're making Joe Cook's pecan pie cheesecake bars. Starting off, you want to add in 2 cups of crushed graham cracker crumbs with a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar and mix that together beforehand. Then you want to take a 1/2 cup of melted butter and you want to combine the two until well mixed. Then the recipe calls for a 9x9 pan, but I'm going to be using a 9x13. I just greased it lightly with Crisco, and then you're just going to pour in the graham cracker mixture. Just pressing the mixture evenly into the bottom of the dish. And then you're going to bake that at 350 degrees for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, we are going to add in 16 ounces of cream cheese, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, an 1/8 teaspoon of salt, and we're going to mix it on medium speed for about 5 minutes until smooth and creamy. Now that the crust is baked and cooled, we're going to spread the cheesecake mixture evenly over the baked crust. Then you want to bake that again for 20 to 30 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, just until it starts to set. Meanwhile, in a saucepan, you're going to combine 1 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 cup of heavy cream, 1/2 cup of corn syrup, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You're also supposed to add a 1/4 cup of butter, but I guess I missed that part. So you want to bring that to a boil over medium heat, stirring constantly. Cheesecake over here. Now once it boils, we take it off of the heat, and then you're going to stir in 2 cups of chopped pecans. I didn't overly chop them. Then you want to pour the pecan mixture over the cheesecake layer, spreading it evenly. If I did this again, I'd probably keep the pecans separate, just because I felt like either I did something wrong with how long I baked the cheesecake, or I'm not sure, but it kind of sunk in. It made me nervous. And we're going to pop that back in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes until the pecan topping is golden and set. This is how it looks before going in. When you take it out, mine was bubbling. I feel like something was off, personally, with the way that I spread it. But this is how it looks, still hot out of the oven. So we're going to let that cool, and then we're going to pop that in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours or overnight. So this is how it looks after being refrigerated overnight. You just want it to let the cheesecake set more. And now it's time to serve. Since I used the 9x13 dish, my bars came out a little bit thinner. Either way, I love how they turned out. And here is how inside of the pan looked. It looks even better. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the tutorial. Again, like I said, the recipe is in the caption in the description below. Oh my god, these are so good. They keep falling apart. I'm gonna be honest, this one's not making it very well. But I was nervous that I messed it up when the cheesecake part, when I added the pecans on top, because it like sunk in, and I thought I totally messed it up, but it turned out so good. Oh my god. It's blurry for you, but I promise it is so good. It smells really good too. It reminds me of when I make sticky buns and you like cook the topping. Oh my god, it's so good. I could eat the whole pan right now. I'm not going to because I promised it for other people. But don't forget to like and subscribe down below if you want to see more Halloween content from me this spooky season. I'm going to be doing more baking videos along with some gaming and makeup videos. Let me know what you think, and thanks for watching.